Hey there, friends. Today we're going to talk about something super cool and exciting, artificial intelligence, or AI, and how it uses something called data. It may sound like a big topic, but don't worry, we'll break it down like a fun story. Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever asked Siri or Alexa a question? Or seen a robot vacuum clean your floor? Or watched YouTube recommend the exact video you wanted to see? That's AI at work. What is artificial intelligence, AI? Let's begin with a simple definition. Artificial intelligence is when machines are made to think and act like humans. In simple words, AI is like giving a computer a brain so it can learn, think, and even make decisions just like we do. But wait, can machines really think? Not exactly like us, but they can be taught to recognize patterns, answer questions, play games, or even drive cars. It's like teaching your pet to follow commands, except here, you're teaching a computer using data. What is data? Now let's talk about data, the fuel of AI. Imagine you're learning to identify animals. You see pictures of cats, dogs, and elephants. Over time, your brain learns to tell them apart. That's what AI does too. But instead of using a brain, it uses data, lots and lots of information, to learn. For example, if we show a computer 1,000 pictures of cats and say, "These are cats," then 1,000 pictures of dogs and say, "These are dogs," the computer starts to learn what a cat looks like and what a dog looks like. That's machine learning, a part of AI. So we can say, data is like food for AI. The more it eats, the smarter it gets. Fun example. Let's say you're teaching your robot friend how to recognize fruits. You show it 500 pictures of apples, 500 pictures of bananas. Now when you show it a new fruit, it looks at it and says, "Hey, I think this is a banana." That's AI using data to make a decision. Just like how you learn to read, play games, or solve puzzles by practicing, AI learns by using data. Why is AI important? AI is all around us today. Here are some places you'll find it. Google search helps you find answers in seconds. Netflix or YouTube suggests shows you'll love. Self-driving cars use AI to avoid obstacles. Doctors use AI to find diseases faster. AI helps make life easier, faster, and sometimes even safer. Here's a famous quote by Andrew Ng, an AI expert. AI is the new electricity. Just like electricity changed the world with light and machines, AI is changing the world with smart machines. But wait, is AI perfect? Nope. AI is not perfect. It only knows what we teach it through data. If we give it wrong or missing information, it can make mistakes. That's why it's so important to use good data and teach AI carefully and responsibly. So here's what we learned today. Artificial intelligence, AI, is when computers learn to think and make decisions like humans. Data is the information that helps AI learn, just like you learn from books and practice. AI is already helping us in many ways, from playing music to finding answers and even saving lives. Remember, the future is not about man versus machine, it's about man with machine. AI is a tool, and with the right data, it can do amazing things with your help.